Hello guys, I'm Zakir. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to auto animate the toggle switch in Adobe Xd. Let's start today's tutorial. Very carefully you have to double click and move this icons. Perfect. Let's drag towards right. Perfect. Fill the circuit with the primary color. Here we have two rectangles, so we have to add the border color also, and this circle to white. Perfect. Let's go to prototype. Click on first artboard, drag the trigger to second artboard, your trigger to tab, type to animate, auto animate, using to snap, duration to 0.2 seconds, drag back to the first artboard, go to design, click on the play button to preview. Let's click now. Wow. So this is how auto animate works with the toggle switch. If you like this 2 minutes tutorial, please do subscribe and like my channel. Thanks.